are pleased to show you the 2016 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, running boards, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. Come take a test drive today.